Hi, I'm AC Flurry, and today I'm going to show you how to use VideoStudio Pro to turn your videos from this to this and finally to this. Step 1. Drag the video that you want to convert down to the timeline. Step 2. Open the Settings menu and select Project Properties. A standard video has an aspect ratio of 16:9 and a resolution of 1920 pixels by 1080. A YouTube short, however, has an aspect ratio of 9:16 and a resolution of 1080 by 1920. To convert one to the other, scroll down the list of existing project profiles until you find the one for 1080 by 1920. Step 3. Right-click the video and select the Options panel. Look for Keep Aspect Ratio and select No Letterbox from the available options. Step 4. Click Share. If the resolution of your output profile is correct, but the preview is distorted, click the small Change Aspect Ratio button and select 9:16 for the aspect ratio. Now export as usual. Thanks for watching and goodbye.